Hey there, I have a message for you. Did you know I have hundreds of detailed tutorials showing on a step-by-step in how to cut and style all types of hair in my app? Plus, you can be part of a private community where you can ask all your questions directed to me and, of course, connect with barbers all over the world. If you want to become a barber with a high performance and make six-figure a year, join us. The link is on the description on this video. On his beard, as I mentioned, I'm gonna taper the checks. And I'm gonna leave longer here on the chin. He's gonna let it grow from now on, right? So I worked on the same direction of the grain, and then I trim on the opposite direction of the grain. So now I'm not creating any guidelines. Open up. With the number 1, and I'm closing my lever slowly, and I'm using guards that cuts shorter, higher. So number 1.5, 1, half, and 0. So half open. I'm closing my lever slowly. Closed all the way. Take it off. 0. Open, closing my lever. As you can see, if you notice, the lines start like we blend, and notice that the line is going to be disappear. Saw it? See? Without mark any graduation line, any guideline. A little bit of detail with the trimmer. I'm just trimming his mustache, following the grain, because I don't want to cut length. I just want to cut the stubborn one. I did use 1, now 0 open, inclined. So now I'm going to work on my C cup, my outline here. You use the corner of the blade to create your drawing. When you're drawing, use the corner of the blade so you can create that. There's multiple ways you can work on your outline here. One is just using the corner and draw into the hair, or you can mark one line straight and one line here on the temple, and then with the tip of your blade, of your trimmer, you just connect the line from here with the line from there with the curvature. Like. And now I'm going to taper this side. To work on his outline, I'm using the tip of my straight razor of my blade just to follow the same line I created with my trimmer, so that became easy. here, guys, on this side, I'm using, on the other side, I use this part of the blade, but now I'm using the back part of the blade to go and follow the same line I used from my trimmer, just to give that last detail and clean.